Well, the weather just lately has been pretty grotty, really, to be honest. It's been like sunshine and showers, but to be perfectly honest, it's been more showers than sunshine. But today is absolutely lovely, so I've just been sitting in the garden, well, pottering about in the garden, I should say. Then I just come and have a sit down, just to soak up the good weather. And I just happened to look up, and there were some seagulls circling overhead on the thermals, and it just may give me a thought that how they must view the world different to us. We only see it from a street view. So my plan today is to go out and try and capture a bird's eye view of where we live. It's only local, by the way. But it might make you appreciate more of where you live, and just what a green and pleasant land this is. So let's go out and just have a little look around from two perspectives, one street level and then the aerial view that the bird sees. So let's go and just have a look and see what we can find today. And there you go. Just gives you a little bit of an idea of how nice it is round here, and probably sort of this side that you don't see like I never used to be honest. I've got the little drone. It's just a shame. It is just a nice borough, and it's just a shame there's the minority, the few that like to chuck their litter all over the place, which is a shame. But you can't educate the uneducated, can you? So anyway, that just gives you a little bit of once again of where we are. Another time on the start, still keeping local, but give some little different views from different places, even along the highways and that. It's still nice. As I say, it's people that make the borough. So let's all pull together and try and keep it a nice place to live in that will benefit all of us. So I hope you enjoy this little video. As I say, I'll do a couple more later on. I'm just sort of trying to feel my feet on this at the moment, but practice makes perfect, and hopefully we will get there in the end. So till then, stay safe.